Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Well, something I feared would happen. YouTube is going to demonetize my electronics channel. So, I am going to lose that one as well. I'm being forced, I guess, into recombining everything under my main channel. YouTube seems to be doing away with monetizing all little channels. And I'm not going to get into discussion about that because I could probably lose this channel if I complain. But I have my theories. Anyway, so what I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to start just putting everything under the Do-It-Yourself World and drop the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics, TR Tech Tactical, and I'm going to just start doing the Do-It-Yourself World again. Whatever I'm doing today, that's what you're going to see, which is going to be better for most of my viewers because moving into this summer and the economic situation at hand, my family, we're going in a new direction right now, and we're working towards self-sufficiency with a sense of urgency like never before. So I had plans on, I have a lot of electronics channel projects that I was going to do, as well as my tactical. I'm just going to start sharing them here under individual playlists. So the Off-Grid Project will go on under the Off-Grid Project playlist on whatever I'm doing here on the homestead each day. And then the electronics will be subcategorized under the various electronics playlists. So people who are interested in whether it is our daily videos on the homestead or some old-fashioned ways of living, old-fashioned soap and things like that, or whether they're interested in self-sufficiency or preparedness, we are starting to really aim towards self-sufficiency like never before. Power and food and total absolute self-sufficiency to the furthest extent possible, to be compared with like maybe the pioneers or the Westerners. And of course nobody can be 100%, I don't believe. And even back then they went to town for provisions and supplies and tools and equipment or whatever. So you cannot, I don't think you can comfortably, safely isolate yourself from the outside world, and I don't think you should. There's a lot of advantages to having our, the doctors, hospitals, tools and equipment, things like that available that we can have. So, but we're planning on having our own food by next year for our chickens and for us, and that's a big deal. It's a big goal to reach. Also our own power this year. So some really big goals, but everything's going to be combined right here. If you want to see the homesteading, check out the Off-Grid Project, the monthly videos, Off-Grid Project June 2022, July 22, and so on. Otherwise, the others will be categorized in their own playlists. So there it is. I may even bring my prospecting videos back over here because I don't think there's any way on earth that I can ever get that monetized. So I'm considering recombining that here. We'll see how it goes. Let me know your opinion on that, by the way. And there's something else I'm going to change, which I was going to announce for the tactical channel today, but all of a sudden they're demonetizing my electronics channel too. What I'm going to do to, I think, make it fun, and so everybody gets to see everything, and so that YouTube doesn't monetize my videos, which they will. They're going to run ads on my videos on those channels. They're just not going to pay me for them anymore. And I don't believe in working to make big corporations rich. So I am going to... Can you bite his head off, please? Why? Michelle won't do it for me. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take 1 or 2 a week, and I'm going to take some of my tactical channel videos, starting with the oldest ones, and bring them over here. and then removing them from there. One by one, I'll start bringing them over here. Now over on DIY Tube, I've got my own channels. They're all separated. They're going to stay there. I'm going to start working on DIY Tube more and more, because as YouTube takes more away from me, I'm going to put more out there. So you guys might want to check out DIY Tube. It is still running. It's been there for years. I think 4 or 5 years now. And it's still there, still existing. And I'm going to start really rebuilding it and concentrating on it now. And I haven't decided. I think it's too hard to have separate channels anywhere. I'm just going to have everything right here. But tell me your thoughts and opinions, guys. Meanwhile, start watching for those videos being brought over. And, well, this is a new beginning all the way around. Less work for me, one channel. And a lot less work from you. You don't have to check all these other channels. It's all right here. I got some really exciting stuff to come. So I hope you all stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please like this video, and I'll see you out there.